All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 27,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. You got your backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice. And best of all, minimal damage around the body. Front bumper looks okay. Looks like it had a some scuffing here with a cracking. There's a crack here. Continuation. Another little cracking down here. Likewise here, some scuffing or dent with some scuffing, and then it got a little crack there. Got some scuffing here in this corner. Boom. The hood looks good. Your front fender, it's got some of that continuation of that scuffing, 3-4 inches. All right, on the driver's door, there's a dent, 3-6 inches right there. All right, here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread here is at a 5/32. Here we do have two dings and a creased dent back here. All right, this seems to be a dent there, very minimal. There it is, you can see it right there. All right, here's your rear passenger steel wheel, a rear driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread back here. It is at 8/32. Pretty much is it for this side here. Let's check out you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with the 1-key fob combo and owner's manual, still wrapped up in its package. All right. Of course, you got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You get your AC controls right down below. So what your instrument console looks like, you see no lights on except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 27,871. Got your backup camera right up here. Boom. Pretty much completes the tour. Let's turn on the lights and make sure they work for you guys. That's pretty much it. Anyway, coming around, rear bumper looks okay. Got a little cracking back here, a little dent right there. This little cap here is cracked. Got a dent here in this door, 3-6, and a dent here, 3-6. About 9 inches, as you can see. Another little dent here, paint off. Another dent there. And there's a dent right here. There you go. And the doors do fold out all the way against the body. Here's what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Wheel wells look good. The car looks clean. This is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Likewise on this side, door looks good. Let me get the ladder. Come up here. Check things out. All right, and this is what your roof looks like. I don't see any things, dents, anything up here. It's a dent here on here. Boom, 3, which cracked this brake light, but that light does work from what I know. All right, looks good. Pull this back. This quarter here, as you can see, does have a heavy scratch right there. 3, there's definitely 10 or more inches. From somewhere around here, looks like about a foot and a half. Another heavy scratch right there. Couple scratches there, a little ding here. On this door, we have a ding, a dent, so you can see it. There it is. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread back here is just under 7/32. What your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Nice and clean. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Fender's got a little dent here. And here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And the tire thread here is under 4/32. About it, folks. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, This is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 27,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.